Let me ask you a simple but powerful question. If you stopped working today, how long would you survive financially? A week, a month, a year? Your answer to that question reveals whether you have income or wealth. Today, we're going to break down one of the most misunderstood ideas in personal finance, the difference between income and wealth, and why understanding this single concept can completely change your financial future. Section 1. Why this confusion keeps people poor. Most people believe that earning more money is the same thing as building wealth. It's not. That confusion is why. High earners still live paycheck to paycheck. Professionals retire broke. People feel rich today and stressed tomorrow. Income is what you earn. Wealth is what you keep, control, and grow. If no one ever explained this to you, it's not your fault. Schools teach people how to earn, not how to build lasting financial security. Section 2. What income really is. Income is money you receive for your time, your labor, your skills. Examples: salary, wages, freelance payments, business cash flow. Income is important because without it, nothing works. But income has one major weakness. It stops when you stop working. That's why income alone can never give you freedom. Section 3. What wealth really is. Wealth is what continues to support you even when you're not actively working. Wealth includes savings with purpose, investments, businesses that run beyond you, assets that appreciate over time. Wealth buys you time, peace of mind, options, dignity in old age. Wealth is quiet. It doesn't show off, but it protects you. Section 4. The salary trap. Here's a painful truth. Many people with good salaries are actually financially fragile. Why? Because their lifestyle rises with income. Their expenses eat everything. They build zero assets. So when a job is lost, health fails, retirement comes, their income disappears, and so does their security. Income without wealth is like pouring water into a leaking bucket. Section 5. How to shift from income thinking to wealth thinking. Wealth builders ask different questions. How do I convert income into assets? How do I make my money work for me? How do I reduce dependence on one source? Practical shifts: save before you spend, invest before you upgrade your lifestyle. Build skills that scale, own something, even something small. You don't need a lot of income to start building wealth, but you certainly need intentionality. Closing: income feeds you today. Wealth protects you tomorrow. If you want clarity, structure, and truth about money, subscribe to Financial Freedom Hub. Because freedom isn't about how much you earn, it's about how long your money can carry you.